Hello student, today we are going to solve the 14th numerical. Question is written as, for the beam shown below, that is this beam, the value of the support moment M is. Now we need to determine the value of support moment M. Now by symmetry, we can consider the two parts of the beam separately, okay, that is ABC and CDE. So we had taken the first half of the beam, that is ABC, and we had divided the load into two parts, that is 10 kN in the span ABC and 10 kN in the span CDE. Now the net moment acting at joint B, moment at joint B. Now due to this 10 kN load, the moment generated at joint B will be equals to 10 into 1, so it will be equals to 10 kilonewton meter that will be acting at joint B. Now due to fixed support at A, we need to transfer the carryover moment to the support A. Now the carryover will be transferred in the same direction of half magnitude, which will be equals to 5 kilonewton meter. Okay students, so carryover moment at joint A due to 10 kilonewton meter moment at B will be equals to 10 by 2, which will be equals to 5 kilonewton meter. So the net moment acting at support A, that is M, will be equals to 5 kilonewton meter, which is carry over from the support B. Okay students, so that is all about this numerical. We had determined the value of M, which will be equals to 5 kilonewton meter. Thank you very much students.